With over 25 years of experience, TechCorr USA offers an array of tubular and exchanger inspection services for the petrochemical, power generation, pipeline, pulp, paper and fabrication industries, along with many others. The tubular division performs eddy current, remote field, near field, and iris tube testing on shell and tube heat exchangers, boilers, chillers, air-cooled heat exchangers, known as fin-fan units, and reactor tubes. We also do surface eddy current on piping, welds, vessels, and tanks. At TechCorr, our first job is safety, and our crews have the experience and attitude to perform work in the safest manner possible. Our crews go through extensive training with classroom, practical testing, and field experience far above most other providers, and even go beyond the ASNT requirements. Boasting a wide range of options, we use the latest eddy current testers and probe technology, including the newest magnetic saturation probes that can test tubes made with moderate ferritic and permeable materials such as duplex stainless steel, Monel, and aluminum finned alloy tubes. These types of high permeable alloys can be tested and analyzed as conventional eddy current testing with these probes, where before the only option was high-frequency remote field testing or not being able to electromagnetically test at all. We put our clients' needs first. Our technicians work safely at your site with little supervision without your having to worry if it's being done correctly. We provide preliminary results during the test and during analysis. We take pride in presenting a final inspection report shortly after testing is completed.